The first in Europe, crazy transformation for a 7 Series. Get ready to witness an extraordinary transformation that will redefine the way you see car customization. In this must-watch episode, we dive deep into the world of extreme car exterior tuning. From the initial sketches to the final, we'll show you every step of this car's incredible journey.
The BMW 7 Series offers a wide range of engines from 6 cylinders to V8 and V12. They are very powerful cars and they offer a comfortable experience.
The 7 Series offers an elegant and luxury design, and this is also the 5th generation from the 7 Series, and with aftermarket body kit it will transform into the 6th.
So this is a BMW F01 from 2010, but it's going to have the looks of a 7 Series manufactured after 2015. Let me show you the entire aftermarket conversion.
So this is going to be the front bumper, which has piano black elements and chrome elements, and will also be combined with the central grille, which is also chrome.
The conversion cannot be completed without the hood and the front fenders. The final piece of the front conversion will be the headlights. Now that we are finished with the front conversion, I want to show you the back conversion, which is the rear bumper with the chrome exhaust tips and black diffuser. We will also have new tail lights. And the last but not least part of the conversion will be the trunk. Our team will put the parts together on the car, and we can't wait to show you the final result.
Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply love a good makeover, this video is for you. So buckle up and prepare to be amazed by a transformation that pushes the boundaries of automotive art. The visual impact of converting a BMW F01 to a BMW G12 is nothing short of breathtaking. The transformation that is being made makes the vehicle stand out in any parking spot or any lot because it's a huge difference than the current model. The conversion introduces a more contemporary and aggressive front end inspired by the G12 design language. This includes a larger and more pronounced kidney grille, the hood bonnet, sleeker and sharper LED lights that provide a commanding presence, and the redesigned bumper with larger air intakes contributing to a more dynamic and sporty appearance. Here we have the addition of the G12 signature design elements, such as more pronounced contours with those front fenders that enhances the visual flow from the front to rear. The rear end transformation is equally as impactful because it features a more slimmer and modern LED taillights that aligns with BMW's current design trends. A conversion rear trunk lid, a redesigned bumper with new muffler tips. The overall effect is a sleeker design that elevates the car's status and appeal. Now, we turn to you, our passionate community of automotive enthusiasts. How would you personalize a transformation like this to make it uniquely yours? Share your ultimate customization dreams with us, and let's reimagine the possibilities together. Subscribe to our channel for more stunning makeovers and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode.